everyone, my name is Jordan Evans and welcome to my presentation for the Telecom and Data Center project. This presentation is going to focus on data centers, cloud computing, and security. In today's world, these technologies are at the core of modern IT infrastructure. Understanding how they function and contribute to business efficiency and security is crucial. So in this presentation, we're going to explore their role, importance, and the increasing demand for secure and scalable IT solutions. So our data centers, they're going to store, process, and distribute critical data, ensuring high availability and performance. Cloud computing enables scalable, cost-efficient access to computing resources, which allows businesses to adapt quickly to changing demands. And then security safeguards data, networks, and applications from cyber threats, which ensures compliance and business continuity. So we're going to start with data centers. These are dedicated facilities that house computing and networking equipment. They are designed to ensure performance, reliability, and security. So some examples of this include high-density server racks, fiber optic, networking, and advanced cooling infrastructure. Data centers also prioritize sustainability through renewable energy usage and AI-based cooling systems. They also use private and public fiber networks for high-speed and secure data transfers. Some key features of data centers include modularity, which allows for scalable expansion, and advanced cooling systems that use AI and liquid cooling to improve efficiency. Custom and standardized servers are optimized for processing power, which ensures peak performance. Sustainability is also a major focus, which I mentioned previously, and many data centers are striving for carbon neutrality through the use of the renewable energy resources. So next we're going to talk about cloud computing, and cloud computing allows users to access computing resources via the internet on demand. This enables businesses to scale quickly while reducing infrastructure costs. There are three primary service models. There is IaaS, which is infrastructure as a service, and this provides infrastructures like computing power and storage. Then we have PaaS, which is platform as a service, which offers a development environment, and then SaaS, which is software as a service, and this is going to deliver fully managed applications such as Google Drive or Microsoft 365. Also, if you notice in the descriptions of the different infrastructures, we have Amazon as one of our infrastructure as a service. We have the Google App Engine, and then also Google Drive is an example as software or example of software as a service. Some other things I would like to note is that cloud computing can be public, it can be private, or it can be a mixture of both. And then key providers of cloud computing are AWS, which is going to be your Amazon Web Services, Microsoft Azure, Google Cloud, and IBM Cloud. So let's talk about some advantages and challenges of cloud computing. So the benefits of cloud computing include scalability, cost efficiency, and accessibility. So with scalability, you can adapt and change your resources based on the demand of whatever it is the organization needs. Cost efficiency, obviously reducing infrastructure is going to save money. And then accessibility, cloud computing allows there to be access from anywhere, anytime. So some challenges with cloud computing include security risk, vendor lock-in, meaning once you are locked in with a vendor, it's very expensive to change vendors. So that can cause some issues at times. And then potential downtime. Potential downtime risk includes service outages, which affects the availability. So businesses have to weigh these factors when deciding on cloud strategies to make sure a balance between efficiency and security is achieved. Security in data centers is very critical. Physical security measures include biometric authentication, surveillance, and restricted access zones. There's also multi-layered access control that data centers put into place for additional security. Logical security involves firewalls, encryption, and continuous network monitoring to prevent cyber threats. And then the industry follows best practices such as zero trust architecture and AI-driven threat detection. Cloud security follows a shared responsibility model where providers manage the infrastructure while users are responsible for securing their data. Encryption plays a vital role in protecting sensitive information. So identity and access management, or IAM, helps enforce user restrictions through multi-factor authentication. And then regular security assessments and compliance audits are essential for maintaining a secure cloud environment. So, implications and emerging threats. It's important for us to understand the broader implications of these technologies. The growing reliance on cloud computing and data centers means businesses must implement proactive security strategies. Emerging threats include ransomware, phishing, and supply chain attacks. A strong incident response plan, disaster recovery strategies, and compliance with industry security standards helps to mitigate these risks. And down here at the bottom, it says ISO 27001. This SOC 2 and NIST, this refers to the guidelines that have been set to help with compliance and meeting industry standards. So finally, data centers and cloud computing play a foundational role in modern IT infrastructure, which provides businesses with scalable, cost-effective, and secure solutions. However, security remains a primary concern. We see that all the time in the news with data breaches. Most recently, there was the PowerSchool data breach that we dealt with as teachers. So that remains a primary concern, and organizations have to stay ahead of evolving threats. So future trends include AI-driven cloud security, quantum computing, and edge computing. Thank you for taking the time to view my presentation. If you have any other questions, please feel free to reach out. And I have also posted my references here on the slide for where I got my information. So thank you for watching.